Hi, Teresa. So sorry, I'm just getting back to you now. It was a crazy day and your email got buried. So, looking at your gradebook, you do have to go in and fix it to meet. Well, first of all, we have to set up the year one grade. Okay, right now it's set to total points. You need to set it up so that it is assigning quarter 308 and quarter 408. All right. So you need to go into Y1, click the pencil. This needs to be set to term weighting. Because it's a semester course, you need to make quarter 3 60, click the plus sign, make quarter 4, sorry, this is term weighting, make quarter 4 40, and then you're going to click save at the bottom. Okay, and then you are done. But you have to do that. You have to set up the Y1 to assign weights to each marking period. If you do not do that, then their grade is not going to be calculated properly. All right, because we don't want to penalize them for the time that they were out on remote learning. Okay, same thing for the next fitness class. Just go into Y1, click term weighting, click quarter 3, make it 60, click the plus sign, term weighting again, and save. You don't see a save button here because I am not the teacher of record. Once you log in, you will be able to save it at the bottom. Okay. And since these are all semester courses, you're going to do that for every course that you are an instructor of. Okay. Let me know if you have any other questions. If you want to give me a call tomorrow, feel free to call me and I can talk to you about it. But this tutorial is pretty self-explanatory. But if you still have questions, just give me a call. All right. I'm available all day tomorrow. All right, Teresa, have a great night. And you're probably already in bed. But either way, call me if you need me. Okay. Talk to you soon. Bye.